So in this video we just need to make sure that the save message is switched on at the right time. Okay, so let's go back into scripts and open the save zone script. What we can see there, when the player actually enters the trigger of a save zone, it changes this save script.save zone. So we can use that. We can use the true and false. Okay, so if we take a look at the canvas, you can see that there's already some scripts on here. And we've already got a controls menu script that's opening both controls and options. So let's use this script to also control the save message. So let's double click to open this one. Okay, here's the controls menu. We're on an update, so in fact we probably, yeah, we can use an update, that's fine. But in order to do that, obviously we need a boolean to basically deactivate this, so we're not constantly switching an object on or off. Okay, so we're going to use a private bool, and we will call this save message active, okay, which is false to begin with. So now we can come underneath this if, just under here. I'm just going to give a little bit of a white space so that you can see what I'm typing. So it's if save script dot save zone is equal to true, and we want to find out if save message active is equal to false. Save message active is equal to false. Then at that point we can switch on our actual message. So to do that we obviously need a game object. So let's serialize the field of type game object that we will call save message. Now then, what's happened there? Seems I've put them onto separate lines. Okay, there we go. So they're all on the same line now. So now we can go to this line and we can say, where am I? Save message, just there, dot game object with a little g, dot set active to true. Okay, and let's oh, and we also need to disable this save message active as well, don't we? So save message active equals true, so that it can only run once. And now we need to highlight all of this and paste, and we're going to say else if save script.save zone is equal to false. So in other words, we've left the save zone, and if save message active is equal to the value of true, then we're going to switch off our save message, so we're going to make that false, and we're going to set save message active back to false again so that we can open it the next time. Okay, great, so that has sorted that. And let's just save this. Okay, and now on the canvas we should see some new options available at the bottom. So now we've got a save message. It's looking for a game object, and it's just this one on the canvas. So drag the save message into there. Okay, now what I'm thinking actually, if you just go back into the controls menu for a second, I might actually deactivate this save message when we first start. So Control and C, and we're going to go up to the void start, and we're just going to paste that in so that the save message is set to false. The reason for this is in case if we accidentally forget to switch it off. Alright, you don't want that displaying as soon as the player starts. Great, so now we can switch off the save message, and that should all work perfectly fine.